that small height. That perhaps you have let go of what the world should think of us. You have let go of all the superficialities that the world has placed upon our family.
Oh yes, I release it. I release it all. Take everything, but give me that small, shiny pate.
With your words of truth, you have freed my own soul. For with I renounce my own shackles of tax collector.
James! Here I come to pay the debt my family owes. See there, many ducats of gold.
Marguerite, no. Nay,
I have
Marguerite!
ducats of gold, for I have sold a necklace. Yes, the necklace that thy mother did give me. I have found a jeweler, a lady. So angelic was she. She was beautiful. And as my angel, this woman, Angelica, did give me money for the necklace.
Angelica?
Yes, a virtuous woman, of good standing. And I could see sadness and love in her eyes. She knew it, and that is why she agreed to take the necklace in exchange for gold.
Marguerite, I know that thou hast no reason to trust the words with which I speak. But take this gold back, and I promise you that thy love's head will not roll upon the gutter tonight. Nay, for I do bless thy love. And I promise thee that if it is not too late, his head still remains on his shoulders. I shall make haste, mother. I must save it.
One only wants the best for their child. And this Angelica be his one true love, that he doth love as a child. Oh, bless you, my child. And I shall go try to find my love. Fare thee well. Be it true, my Giorgio, I get to finally marry. Might his head be still attached to that body which I so adore, attached like a marble statue, not an old one in Rome that has fallen apart and lost its head, but one brand new, carved by a god, the god of love, the god of lust. Oh, Mr. Strumpet, with a crumpet so good one wants to thump it. Oh, and this gold. Father!
Marguerite, hush! Be quiet, for I have absconded from the law and hid myself by smearing my face with filth and manure.
I thought it looked like thee.
Knowest thou that I am running from the law, and should that law find me, my head would roll? That gold, how comest thou by it?
I comest by it in honest means. I was given a necklace, and I did sell it in exchange for gold to give to thee, Father, to pay thy debts. Pay the king his taxes, and never again shalt thou have to answer for it.
Didst thou not give that gold to James?
He denied it.
What?
I did try to give it to James, but James seemed to have a change of heart.
A change of heart?
Yes, a change of heart. For it turned into not a heart, into a heart. A full one at that.
Then perhaps my head in danger no longer lies.
I think it not, but surely James, to speak not for the king.
James doth have the king's ear, my girl. I am now sorry I rubbed manure on my head. Ow! What a tangled web this thing called love can be.
And 'tis, Father, I worry so, for my love, Giorgio, his head is on the line. James now is speaking with the king to release my love.
Ah, then perhaps, my sweet girl, the time of change has come, and true love, like a bandit, that beneath the brambles hath been hiding, at last may clear away the thorns and show its face full bright.
Yes, Father. I heard Mother when she said that she loved you not.
Aye.
And know this, 'twas not only thy heart that was broken, but mine broke as well.
Sweet girl, how thinkest thou if I were to confess that I have come to love another?
I would understand, Father.
Wouldst thou favor my union?
I already have, for I have met the lady.
Wouldst thou be willing to spend Monday, Thursday, and Friday at my house?
I would do anything to be with thee because I love thee, Father.
And every other Thanksgiving. If only that sweet woman were. But still my beating heart.
There you be. I have been running long and far to find thee. Am out of breath, you see.
It is I. I am covered with manure.
Let me wipe your smooth skull.
Sweet lady, knowest thou my daughter?
Yes, indeed, a lovely young lady. Knowest this, I give thee my blessing, and I wish ye to be married. I know it not be possible with my mother still wed, but I wish thee to live a happy life of love nonetheless, and I wish to return this gold to thee, my lady, for thou didst give me that necklace. 'Twas now truly mine. Take it.
Sweet my loves, 'tis time to clear the air. Where be my wife? Come, my sweet, you shall meet my daughter's mother.
Mother, I thought I smelled your father.
'Twas a disguise.
Oh, I didn't notice you anywhere.
Esmeralda,
Henry.
our love has faded like a dream upon a morning's wakening. Betide thyself to this reality, and give thy blessing to a union true and new.
Are you sure, Henry? You do know that I fell in love with you today.
Love ends.
Mother, give him thy blessing. Thy life as thou knew it will no be longer, no matter what.
My lady, I wish to make a peace offering. I understand that you care for the welfare of animals. I wish that you take this gold. I wish for you to feed all stray, unhomed animals and to keep them warm and cozy at night. For I know that he loveth the animals more than anything.
This may be the most precious gift I've ever known. I want to tell you, Henry, that I was faking it when I said I just loved you now.
Sorry the gallows be closed, but this be a finest place as anybody had to roll.
Gregor,
Put these names down right there.
Nay, nay! Hold thy hand and hold thy sword. James! James!
It's not too late. Henry!
Stay this merciless execution.
Gregor! You mustn't do it.
What be the meaning of this?
Even though it be decreed by the king, Gregor, I am no longer a tax collector, and I know that thou do not wish this man's head to be rolled, for he be thy family. And this not being thy nature, and I ask of thee to let go of the shackles of the law and to join us in love and unity.
But James, I did hold this responsibility, this duty in the highest most respect, and thou never this respect give me.
I give thee the greatest of respect, for I am now upon bended knee begging thee to listen.
As am I.
Georgie, play thy trumpet. Gregor, dost thou recall from our boyhood?
Oh, the tune that you did play. And I did dance a jig to. On my merry times I can remember Georgia.
Huzzah! Huzzah! And Georgia, forgive me for the pain with which I have caused, for I do bless this love. And a striker of glory, for you see, Esmeralda, in secret, Gregory, be the love of the furry.
I do love a furry outfit I do gown myself in.
"'Tis okay, mother. Give in to thy love, for 'tis not an animal true, but a man. And what is a man if not an animal?"
Wait me just a moment's time.
Oh, but it's just a puppy.
And like the Pied Piper's flute, I shall lead him in glorious dance for thee.
And mother, with thy blessing and removing the shackles of tax collecting, Angelica and I have now found a new path
Oh,
to be together.
my
And I
son.
thank all of thee for showing me a new way to let go of the shackles of life and dismay.
And what sayest thou, sweet girl? Wilt thou take thy love? Then
I say, now here, where not in this town square, I would wed thee right now.
aye, under this altar, let us give thanks to yon gods above, for now we are no longer lost, but have found love. And so, my friends, each hand has found the hand it sought, and all shall end as endings ought. If thou didst enjoy this tale we did tell fair, then give us your hands. We are but animals and need your welfare. My friends, thank you so very much. You are an awesome audience. Let's give